Assalamualaikum guys, welcome back to DevCode Academy. In today's episode of Flutter Widget of the Day, we are going to explore one of the most important widget, CircleAvatar. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. So let's get started. The CircleAvatar widget used to show profile images, icons in a circular shape, perfect for social apps, user lists, or chat interfaces. Let's see a simple example how you can use circle avatar in your Flutter app. I am only using child property and this will show a circle with a value A and B inside. You can control the size of the circle avatar using radius property. Using background color property, you can also customize the background color of the circle avatar. Foreground color property, change the foreground color and you can see the output, the text color is changed. The background image property lets you add any image, local or network. And you can easily add profile image inside a circle avatar using background image property. And also foreground image property lets you add any image, local or network. These two callbacks on background image error on foreground image error called when the error occurred during image loading. You can also add max radius and min radius using these two properties. So that's it. The Circle Avatar is simple but powerful tool for profile UIs. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to DevCode Academy. I'll see you in the next one. Khuda Hafiz.